Hey, what's up, my Deuce family? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be opening up some 90s packs. We're going back to the 90s, y'all, with some 90s baseball packs here for you guys. Let's go down the list and see what we got. We got 1992 Leaf, 1990 Flair. We got 1991 Series 1. We have a 1990 Big Baseball Cards, 3rd Series. We got Leaf 1992, Series 2. We got one over here. 1990's Big Baseball, 1st Series. 1993 Upper Deck, Series 1. We got 1993 Series 2. We got 91 Flair Ultra, and we got 1992 Donruss here. So we're gonna go kick it back to the 90s, y'all. Yet again, I wanna thank you guys who like, comment, subscribe in my videos, who look at my shorts. I want to thank all of you guys because you guys what makes me keep going. So always, I appreciate the love that you guys give me, and I will always show you love back. But nonetheless, let's try to see what we get out of these packs. Let's start off with 1990. Let's start off with 1990 Flair Baseball here. 10th anniversary edition. Let's see what we get out of these packs here. Let's start it off. We got Flair Action Series stickers. The Braves, old Brave throwback there. The Chicago Cubs, throwback Cincinnati Reds, and a throwback sticker of the Houston Astros. Put that to the side. Let's see what we get out of this 1990 Flair pack. Cordell Washington, Dwayne Wade, Rick Honeycutt, Ricky Jordan, Lee Maserati, Mike Laveglia, Juan Bergener, sorry if I'm butchering names here, Mickey Teltleton, 19 Flair All-Star Team. We'll put that up there. All-Star Team. Matt Kinzer and Wayne Edwards. Right there. Prospect cards. There. Put that there. Rick Reed. Kenneth Comstock. Willie McGee. Mike Broderick. Steve Rosenberg. Rick Mahler, Marquise Grissom. I think this is his rookie card. Nope, not a rookie, but 2nd year Marquise Grissom. We'll put that over there in the little good stack over there. Put our other cards to the side. I put the sticker here too. Sticker's a good card. We give the rundown later. Next pack, 1991 Series 1 score out of here. I believe, I'm not mistaken, I know y'all gonna kill me in the comments, but I believe Chipper Jones is in this series. I'm not sure, but let's see what we get. Mike Stanley. Chuck Finley, nice Cal Ripken card there. Put Cal Ripken up there. Bill Lindrum, Rifleman, Jesse Belford, Yankee. There, Von Hayes, Dan Peltry, Brian McRae. I don't know if this is a rookie card of Brian McRae. 2nd year. Brian McRae, Greg Harris, Yvonne Calderon, Steve Buscemi, Mike Hardley, 1945 sticker, World Series trivia there. Let's see what the trivia is. Oh, no, no trivia. Talking about the 1945 World Series. We'll put that up there. Kenny Rogers, not the singer. Rick Argler, Mark Grace. I'll put Mark Grace up there. And our last card out of the 1991 score is Dave Magadan from the Mets. Dave Magadan there. Let's continue. 1992 Donruss. Let's see what we get out of this. We got a rated rookie here of Hector Fajardo. Ooh, nice Marlin sticker. Nice Marlin card there. We'll put that to the side there. We have Carlos Hernandez, Mike Bilecki, Javier Brown, Scott Severs, Chuck Knobloch, 1991 Rookie of the Year. Chuck Knobloch, former New York Yankee and World Series champion also with the Yankees. Bartolo Castro, Percival Perez when he was with the Yankees. Tim Sphere, Dan Pulaski, Danny Tannenbull, Lance Dixon, Howard Farmer, Jose Messi, and our last card, Hector Fajardo, rated rookie there. Put that over here to the side. Like I said, guys, be part of the Deuce family over here where we open packs and boxes and stuff like that. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like videos like this. Please show the love, and the love gets shown back without a doubt. 1991 Flair Baseball, 14 cards. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get out of this. A lot of stickers. Kansas City Royal sticker. We'll put that there. Jose Belfort again. J Bell. Shortstop. Jose Quindero, I believe. Charlie Hayes. We'll put Charlie Hayes up there to the side. Ruben Sierra. Good card there. Dennis Boyd. Omar Velasquez. That's a good card. I believe that's his third-year card. Bob Welch. Dave Magadan, again, Met first baseman there. We put him to the side. Mookie Wilson, former Met. 1986 hero there for the Mets. Steve Clareton. Glenn Boggs. Moat Thompson. And our last card, Wes Chamberlain. Our last card there. Let me start moving these packs of cards over to the side. We got a good stack over here. We'll recap that a little bit later on. Let's keep on going with a throwback to the 90s. We got a Leaf set, 1992 Leaf, Series 2. Let's see what we get out of here, y'all. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Be part of the Deuce family. And if you like videos like this, please share, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Rachel Kummer, Red Sox there. Willem Sierra, Mike Jackson, Vince Horseman, Glenn Davis, upside down card. David Justice. Let's put David Justice to the side. Lance Blankenship, John Vanderbilt, Jack McDowell, Scott Reznick, upside down here. Dan, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Yvonne Calderon. We got Luis Rivera, shortstop, and Ramon Martinez, the Hall of Famer Pedro Martinez, older brother. Didn't have the best career as his younger brother, but good enough. Ramon Martinez there, the last card. Let's go on to Topps Baseball Series 3, big baseball card. Only 8 cards in this pack. Let's see what we get out of here. We got a Jack William Armstrong on the back. Let's see what we get out of here. Ooh, Ken Griffey Jr. Nice Ken Griffey there. Kevin Tappanen. Tim Butcher. Jeff Radon. I'll put Jeff Radon over here. He was good. Jose Rio. Chuck Finley. I don't know if that's Chuck Finley rookie card or not. Let's check. Major League pitcher. I don't believe this is his rookie. But we'll put Chuck Finley over there. Gary Gaetti and Jack Armstrong is the last card out of there. Now let's open up Series 1 of this big baseball pack there. I like the Griffey. We did get a Griffey out of there. Out of the pack without damaging the cards. We have Pete Incaviglia, another Yvonne Calderon, Jack Clark, Pat Boulder, Bob Welsh, Clint Lemon, George Jeffries, and Spike Owens is our last card. We got nothing out of there. Let's move on to 1993 Major League Baseball Upper Deck. If you saw my short not too long ago, actually, that I uploaded, you can see why I'd rather do a video for Upper Deck than do a short of it. And I believe these cards are bricked up. But let's see what we get. We get a Dan Wilson, star rookie. We got Lee Smith. We'll put Lee Smith to the side there. We have Yankees Pride, Don Mattingly, and that is Robert Kelly. Don Mattingly, the Hall of Famer, should be a Hall of Famer. Don Mattingly, Donnie Baseball. We got Lenny Harris for the Dodgers. Mike Claire. And one of these packs are so notorious for being upside down, all over the place. Jeff Inside. That's how you pronounce it. Omar Olive. Omar. Then Dennis Eckersley, Hall of Famer there. Dennis Eckersley. Last card there. We got Brian Hurst, shortstop, I think. Bruce Hurst. I'm sorry. Try to turn these cards another way. Here we go. Carlos Garcia. Brian Bohem. Sean Magalo. Sam Maldatilo. I'm over here butchering names, y'all. I apologize for that. Tim Butcher. It's Upper Deck Packs, 1993 here. Rich Aguilar, and Kevin Mitchell as the last card. Dennis Eckersley, good card out of there. Let's move other cards to the side. And we got 2 more packs left, y'all. Like I said, if you like videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe, share below. Let everybody get to know the Deuce family. Let's go to our second to last pack, 1992 Leaf Baseball. Let's see what we get out of there. Move this to the side. Steve Sachs. We got a black border card of Sam Horn. Gary Ritas. Dale Strawberry. Should be a Hall of Famer there. Juan Guzman. Nolan Ryan. Put that to the side. Willie McGee. Doug Drabeck. Good card there. Robert Ventura. Another good card there. Eric Henson. Dale Strawberry again. Dodgers uniform. Paul Mulder, Hall of Famer. Bill Picott. Bobby Rose. And last card, Randy Tomlin is our last card. Last pack of Throwback to the 90s here. Upper Deck again, 1993 Upper Deck Series 2. Let's see what we get out of our last pack. Let's see what we get out of our last pack. Oh, these cards are sticking together. Let's try to make the best out of it. Manny Cummings, prospect card there. Peter Gimmons, insert. Card. There we have another prospect card, Darren Dalton, prospect card. Damn. Card is sticking together. Bill Ripken, part of the Ripken family. Bill Ripken. Rafael Palmeiro. A little paper loss there. Oh, a lot of paper loss, but Rafael Palmeiro. Yeah, you can have your doubts about him being a Hall of Famer, but, you know, yeah, he lied to Congress, got caught, 3 weeks later with steroid use. But, hey, that's Rafael Palmeiro for you. We got Storm Davis, Scott Poe, Armando Renazzo, Jay Howell, cards sticking together. Randy Mulligan, a lot of paper loss on these cards. Here, Derek Bell, a lot of paper loss. Here, David Magley. We got Lenny Walton, Lenny Webster. You see most of these cards, they do have paper loss. Damon Barville, Damon Berryhill, and Pat Incaviglia is our last card, as you see, with the paper loss there. That was normal back in the 90s. Cards stuck together, a lot of paper loss there. Late 90s cards are always the worst. But let's give you a rundown of our best cards of what we got out of this Throwback to the 90s. Paul Mulder, Hall of Famer. Dale Strawberry should be a Hall of Famer. Robert Ventura. Doug Drabeck, Hall of Famer. Nolan Ryan, Hall of Famer. Dale Strawberry should be a Hall of Famer. 2 cards in that pack there. Dennis Eckersley, Hall of Famer. Lee Smith, Hall of Famer. Jeff Redone, I'm not too sure if he is a Hall of Famer. Let me know in the comments below. Ken Griffey, the kid, I think this is the best card out of the whole 90s pack there. This Ken Griffey, you know, not a lot, no paper loss, but a very, very good card there. Ken Griffey Jr. Dave Justice, Mookie Wilson, Dave Magadan, because he's the Met, Omar Vasquez, Ruben Sierra, Charlie Hayes, Kansas City Royals sticker, Chuck Knobloch, Florida Marlins card, Mark Grace card, World Series trivia cards. I do collect some of the stickers and puzzle pieces sometimes, so I do consider that good. Sometimes we got a Cal Ripken Jr., Mickey Templeton All-Star. We got the Braves, Chicago Cubs, Cincinnati Reds, and the Houston Astros sticker there, and Marquise Grissom as the last card. If you like videos like this and you want me to do more, like, comment, subscribe down below. Greatly appreciate it. You show me love, I show you love, and we show everybody what the Deuce family is about. Like I said, thank you everybody for watching the videos. Let me know in the comments below if you like videos like this. And Deuce will definitely see you later, y'all. Peace.